Hi, boys and girls. It's Miss Huddleston from Southview Elementary. Today in our reading mini lesson, we talked about author's purpose. Authors write books to give information. Our first book we looked at was Feathers, Not Just for Flying. And we learned that blue jay feathers keep them warm. Our second book was On Earth. The Earth tilts on its axis is the information the author gave us in this book. And our third book was Celia Cruz, Queen of Salsa. We learned that Celia brought salsa music to many different countries. Authors write some books to mainly give you information. They probably also want you to enjoy reading the book, but the most important purpose is to teach you something new. When you read today, think about the author's purpose. Make sure that you remember the page or you use a bookmark to mark your page where it showed you what the author's purpose was for your story, and bring it when we come back together. Have fun reading, friends.